A pre-owned 2019 Ford Expedition XLT. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.